Hello viewers, today we will discuss some important lecture MCQs of biology. First of all, first MCQ is in human body 19% of total mass is formed by dash. Its right answer is 6 bioelements. Second question is nitrogen is present in lipid, protein, carbohydrates. Its right answer is protein. The other is biological organization is dash. Its right answer is highly complex. Upper column is present in dash. Bony fish, its right answer. The arrangement of dash speaks of the division of labor cell organelle is its right answer. The other is in which animals respiratory surfaces are found in more than one organ. Its right answer is frog. Communities are dash collection of organisms. Dynamic its right answer. Heart is enclosed in a membrane called dash. Pericardium. Pericardium is its right answer. The number of species of organisms currently known to science is 25,100,000. Its right answer. From right ventricle, blood is pushed into dash. Its right answer will be pulmonary trunk. What is the branch of biology in which we study the structure and the function of tissues? Its right answer is histology. Next question is biometry is application of dash in biology. Statistic its right answer. Study of insects are called entomology and the term biology was introduced in dash in 1800. It was firstly introduced in Germany, not Italy. Its right answer is Germany. The other question is which of the following is the basic unit of classification? Its right answer is species. Euglena belongs to the kingdom dash. Protista is its right answer. Viruses are considered living organisms because dash. Its right answer is they contain DNA and can be reproduced. All of the following are elements that plants need in very small amount except hydrogen. Its right answer. Capillaries are the example of dash organ system. Its right answer. Who discovered the living cell first time? Its right answer is Robert Hooke. Amoeba can move with the help of pseudopodia. Its right answer. Who is called the father of demography? Demography is the father of Ibn Khaldun. Which one is present in all living things? Cell membrane, DNA or RNA, cell nucleus, vacuole. Its right answer is DNA and RNA. Study of nature is called science. Animals that eat plants are called herbivorous. Dash contains the green chemical called chlorophyll. Its right answer is chloroplast. Dash is a scientific word for human beings. Homo sapiens. Its right answer. Lactomere is used for dash. Milk is right answer. Enzyme is dash. Biocatalyst. Its right answer. Exact replica of chromosome refer to chromatid. Density gradient centrifugation separates the materials on the basis of dash, both A and B. Ribosomes are tiny granules first studied in 1955 by dash Palade. Its right answer. It can break down fatty acid to succinate. Its right answer is glycosome. Mitosis is divided into dash. both A and B. Its right means cytokinases and karyokinases. Mitosis can be divided into cytokinases and karyokinases. Ribosomes and DNA are also present in dash. Mitochondria, its right answer. Taking in liquid material into the cell is known as dash pinocytosis. Pinocytosis means taking of liquid into the cell. Taking of the liquid material or taking of the liquid things into the cell is called pinocytes. Under a compound microscope, chromosome is made up of the arms and centromere. Compound microscope has chromosome is made up of arms and centromere. Centromere is present in the center of the cell. Microscopic chromosome. The main types of plastids are leucoplast, chloroplast, chromoplast. These are the main types of the plastids which are present in mostly plant cells. Fibers of the extracellular matrix is the characteristic of dash fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane. Polysome is formed during dash process translation. In 1831, the presence of the nucleus in the cell was reported by Robert Brown. Secretion or product formed within the cell on the dash Golgi bodies. On average, there are dash or more thalakite per granum. Per granum means 50 or more thalakites are present on the average basis. Unseparated replica of chromosomes is called chromatid. Biogenesis means non-living things. Tumors which are of small size are localized or benign tumors. Benign tumors are actually, it is a type of the tumors. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. P means polymerase and C means stands for chain and R reactions. And the other one is initiate the tendency of the offspring to the resemblance their parents is called heredity. Ribosomes were discovered by dash Palade, which characteristic differentiate living things from the non-living things. The study of fossil is called paleontology, a chemical substance that reacts with the enzyme but is not transformed into the product and thus blocking the active site is called inhibitor. Experiments on the DNA molecule in the chromosome for known the basis of inheritance disease are conducted by molecular biologists. So it means that the molecular biologist takes many types of experiment on the DNA molecules structure and their function in the chromosome for knowing the basis of inherited disease. Other one is percentage of the water in the brain cell of the human body is 85%. Atoms of different elements combine with each other through the ionic or covalent bond to produce compound. This stable form is called molecule. Different species of the plants and the living organisms in the same habitat is called community. It was our last MCQ. In animal coordination is achieved by the means of both A and C, means endocrine system and respiratory system. Thanks for watching.